What's the meaning of buggery? Buggery. Buggery.
Buggery. Buggery. Buggery refers to a form of sexual intercourse that involves anal penetration, typically between men. The act is generally seen as taboo in many cultures and is often considered illegal. Engaging in buggery can result in a range of physical and emotional consequences. Physical effects may include pain, bleeding, and increased risk of sexually transmitted infections, STIs. Emotional effects may include feelings of guilt or shame, as well as potential social stigma and discrimination. Additionally, engaging in buggery may carry legal consequences, including fines or imprisonment, depending on the jurisdiction in which it occurs.